Hi again, folks. No splash screen splash screen captions for this one. This is your Plan 107 external. It might be best watching this in conjunction with the wiring of the Plan 105. The main difference with this, as I mentioned, was the strapping inside the actual plan set, and of course inside the external phone, if I can get the top off the blooming thing, because it for some reason decided it didn't want to. I'm sure it will if that's it. Hooray. The main difference is in this you'll have an additional gravity switch and your auxiliary switch, which was mentioned earlier. If you've got two extensions, a thermistor is also required in the bell circuit, but I think in reality the only difference that would make is if it wasn't there would be that when one extension dialed out it would make the other phones tinkle and vice versa, I think, but never tried it because I've never had two extensions wired up. As you can see, I've got the backboard there again. Let's just put that back there. Where's that button? Oh, this is. I've got the backboard there. You'll notice I've took the dial discs off the front of these just to make it easy to get the screw out. But actually, but if you're not sure how to remove the dial disc on the 706. Although I've never managed to do it very successfully with your small screwdriver, if I can find it, you apparently put the screwdriver under there and there's a little latch and it pops the middle out. On the 746 it is purely just a matter of using a bit of sticky tape. So I'll put that back on there. I've got no labels on them or anything. So operation wise, I mean, you'll notice I've got a little backboard there. In this case, this one, we've got the ringing converter 9A. What that does is it converts the 9-volt battery into 75 volts to ring the extension. You've got to remember that in a real life situation, the extension phone would be in another building some distance away from where the main was, or even in another town or village within the same exchange area or limits. And of course there's the 37B there, which has all the gubbins, all the wiring in, and once again, as I said before, the way to do it is to refer to N4507, N4509, link in the comments again. So what we'll do is we'll set an incoming call up, just direct as if it wasn't switched through, and that should all in a few minutes. That should make that one ring. They could answer the phone, they could hold, ready to transfer, bring the extension. Stop it. That's because I've got that set up to ring automatically. If you go through to the extension, if the extension's in use, similarly, yellow light lit up again. The GPO said it was a white light. Stop it. I've never seen one. Right. I've never seen one with a white light yet, apart from the wall versions. And if the extension wants to ring the main, it presses the button, that operates the buzzer. That's also done via the ringing converter. If the extension's switched through and you get an incoming call, the extension will ring, but the buzzer will sound in the main. There are modifications which allows the bell to sound in the main, but I don't ever think that's ever been done. Somebody might be able to tell me different. So just remember, the diagrams you need are N4507, N4509. You need to know whether you are going to have two extensions or one extension. The good thing about the two extension, the external system is it only needs the standard line cord which comes on most phones. With the internal one, you need extra cords in the line cord, which sometimes aren't easily available. The caveat with the external extension is that the ringing converters aren't readily available anymore. I have actually looked at making an alternative, which will at some point be the subject of a THG article if it ever gets to print. But if not, I will be doing a YouTube video on it, but that's going to be sometime in the future. So once again, thanks for watching. Hope you didn't get too bored. I'm not sure whether I did this time. I think I might go and do something else now. Thanks, bye.